Yo, what's up, guys? This is Emmanuel from Infinite Forex here with another video for you guys. So in this video, we're going to be talking about pending orders, right? So with pending orders, there's actually a few factors to consider. You can't just put a pending order in general. There's a certain way you guys have to use them, right? You need to understand basically what the pending orders are before you even decide to use a pending order. So let me just look for a blank chart. I don't think I use. Alright, so we'll just go into this chart here, right? So we can try and best explain how to use the pending orders and what each of them actually do, right? So there's about 4 different pending orders, right? So there's your buy limit, sell stop, buy limit, buy stop, sell limit, right? Those are the 4 pending orders that you guys have, right? And each of these are actually used differently. You don't just place them, they're used in different manners, right? So let's start with the sell limit order, right? So basically what a sell limit is, right? As you can see, price is right here, or currently here in price. What your sell limit order is supposed to do for you is, say you expect price to go up to this point here. Let me just highlight it for you guys. Say you expect price to go up to this black line, right, and then start reversing. That's your prediction, right? You expect price to hit this resistance area and then start coming down, right? So with us expecting this, right, you now put your sell limit order at this level here, right? So when you're actually typing in your sell limit order, I'm actually going to show you guys how to place them. Right now I'm just explaining how to use them, right? I'm actually going to show you how to place them later on towards the end of the video, right? So basically you put your sell limit order by this level here, right, at 0.98095, right? And when price approaches this level and touches that level, your sell order will execute, right? And then if price goes down, you make your money. If price goes up, you lose cash. But yeah, that'll be totally up to you and your prediction, right? So that's basically what the sell limit order is for, right? It's for a reversal entry. So you're practically anticipating on price hitting that level and then reversing. So as soon as price hits this level, the order will be executed and then the sell starts running, right? So same thing with the buy limit order. It's the exact thing but opposite, right? So let's just drag this line a bit below, right? So let's say we're anticipating that price will hit this level here, right? Because right now current price is here, right? Let's just say we anticipate that price will hit this level, right, and then reverse to the upside, right? So that's where your buy limit order now comes in handy, right? So now what will simply happen is when price hits this level, right, your buy order will be executed and then your buy will start running basically. So it's just a reversal order. So when price hits this level, it will be executed and then goes up, right? So it's only for reversal, right? Limit orders are for reversal. So sell limit is when price hits a certain level then comes down, and then buy limit is when price hits this level and then goes up, right? So that's where you'll be looking to actually place your orders, right? Because when you're actually executing these pending orders, right, it will ask you for a price, a stop loss, and take profit, right? So at that price, weight return price, right, that's where you input this level that's been given to you here, right? So you just plot a line where you want to place your buy limit order, right? And then in this case it's 0.97596, right? So you just type those values into the price section, right? And then when price hits this area, it will execute and so on, right? If you feel like if you want your stop loss to be maybe here, right, then you set your price level as this level here, stop loss is this level, and then your take profit, maybe you want it to be here, right? Your take profit will be this level, right? So as soon as price hits this point, your trade is now active, your stop loss is there, your take profit is there. So if price goes to hit your stop loss, you hit your stop loss at this level. If price goes up, the way you intended it on going up, right, you'll go up, hit your take profit level, and that's it. So these orders they actually come in handy because sometimes you're actually not looking at the charts all the time, right? So you might need these pending orders. So let's say you know that you're going to be busy, or you know you're going to be traveling or something like that, right? You need to set your buy limit or sell limit order, and then when you're away, your trade will execute automatically. And yeah, so now with your buy stop and sell stop, right? So now with your buy stop, okay, I think let's start with the sell stop, right? So basically with your sell stop, price is currently here, right? So a sell stop is basically an order where you want price to go down, right? Hit a specific level and then keep going down, right? So that's your sell stop. So basically price is going to hit this point, and as soon as it triggers this level here, right, your sell order will be executed, and then price keeps going down, right? So instead of a reversal type order, this is like a continuation type order, right? So your sell stop will be here. As soon as price hits this level, your sell will be opened, and we're expecting it to continue moving downwards. So people actually use these orders in terms of things like news, right? So let's say you're anticipating that the news is going to come out negative for this pair, for the US dollar, right? So you're anticipating on selling this pair, right? So what you're going to do is you're anticipating on selling, but you're not sure whether it'll go down or upwards, right? So in order to make sure that it's going in your direction, right? In order to place an entry and make sure it's going in your direction, right? You just put a sell stop, right? Maybe a few pips away from current price, and then when the news event comes out, right? Price will start pushing down, hit your sell stop, and then keep going down, right? If the news came out the opposite direction than what you were initially intending, right, then you're safe, because what's going to happen is just going to fly up without actually executing your sell stop. Some people actually put orders both ways, where they have a sell stop here, right, and then a buy stop there, right? So basically it's the opposite direction, right? Instead of price hitting this level and continuing to go downwards, right? But the buy stop is hitting this level then continuing to go upwards, right? So on news, people might actually have two orders, right? A sell stop and a buy stop, right? So when the news event comes out, right, and it comes out negative, then it will shoot down, execute your sell stop, and then keep going down. Or if it goes the opposite direction, right, it will go up, execute your buy stop, and then go up. And then what you can simply do is just delete the sell stop order. So it's that basic. It's so simple. It's not that difficult to do. Yeah, I'm actually going to show you the exact way how to do it on my phone right now, because most of you guys are probably trading on your phone, not your laptop. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that on my phone right now. So let's get into that part. Okay, so now we're going into how to actually use these sell limit orders, how to actually do them, right? Because I just explained to you what each order means. And yeah, basically now we're looking at how to actually place these orders, because some people might actually just be confused on this, right? So let's say we're looking at USD CAD, right? Let's start with the sell limit, right? Like we started with in the video, right? So basically what you do, let's say we expect price to hit this level here, right, and then start reversing. So this level is 1.32836, right? 32836. So now we go to the trade section, right, where your balance is showing and everything. Then click the plus icon on the top right hand corner, right? So you click that, then where it's written Euro USD, just click that and go to USD CAD, right? And then after that, right under USD CAD is written instant execution, right? So you just click on that, and then you go to sell limit order, right? And then now this is what I was talking about, where it's written your price, stop loss, and take profit, right? So I actually forgot the level of price. So it's 1.32836, right? 1.32836. So now you can place your order now, right? And then you'll notice that you have your sell limit order right there by 1.32836. So basically what's going to happen is when price hits this level here, right, it's going to execute your sell order, and then if price keeps going down the way you expected it to go down like this, then you start to make your cash, right? so it will execute as soon as price gets there. So that's basically a sell limit order, right? Same thing for the opposite direction, right? Let's say you want your buy limit order to be here, right? 1.32424. 2424, right? So as you can see, if it's sell limit, right, you can't actually place the order. The place button is actually just gray, so you can't place the order because that's not how it's supposed to work, right? So it's supposed to be a buy limit since price is below, since the price you want the order to be executed on is below the current price, right? So it has to be a buy limit. So if you click buy limit there, 324, I forgot the level, 32424. 32424. There you go. Now we can actually place the order. So now place, and then you notice that you have both your buy limit and sell limit orders there, right? So you can delete any of these at any time. It's not like they're there permanently, right? So basically, if price goes to this level, to the top level here, right? If price goes to this level here, then your sell limit will be, and then your sell order will be executed, right? And if price goes down here, your buy limit order will be executed. So that's basically it, right? So you can delete them anytime. So if you want to delete them, you can just click on it, right? Or swipe to the left side, right? Click the tick icon, right? Then delete the order. Simple. Now you'll notice that the buy limit order is gone and the sell limit is still there. If you want to delete this order, you can just do the same. Delete. Done, right? So now how we're going to do now we're actually going to move on to the sell stop and buy stop, right? So let's say we want price to get to this specific level here, right? This one here. Let me just delete this trend line. So let's say we want price to get to this level here, right? And then keep going down, right? So basically what we're going to do now is memorize the point. So it's 1.2486, 1.32486. So 32486, 32486. Place, right? Network is a bit trashy. So now there we go, right? So now your sell stop is there. So as soon as price hits this level, right, your sell order will be executed. So that's how your sell stop will work, right? Same thing, opposite direction, right? If you want to have a buy stop at this level here, 1.32863. 1.32863, right? You place the order, and then now you notice that you have both your buy stop and sell stop. So basically when price hits that buy stop order, right, your buy position will be executed. And then yeah, you can also do the same. You can add your stop loss and take profits here, right, the way you'd normally add it into a normal order, right? So yeah, and then when you actually put up your stop loss and other details, your stop loss and take profit, just press modify. It will modify the position, and then now your take profit and stop loss will actually be showing on the chart as well, right? So I think that's basically it with all four orders, right? So if you want as well, you can delete the orders like before, right? And then you notice when you move back to the chart, there are no orders pending. Now if you want to do an instant execution, just like right now we're on sell stop, right? You can just go click on sell stop again, go back to instant execution, right? And then you can execute your trade just like that, right? So simple stuff, nothing that crazy, straight to the point. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope it was helpful for you guys. So yeah, I'll check you guys in the next video.